Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1-2 Step. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to sign up with email on your Picsart app. Now let's go to Picsart app. Make sure your Picsart app is installed on your device. This is your home page. Here you can see many icons like home plus profile. Let's go to profile icon. This will navigate you to this interface where you can get the option create an account. Click on it. Here enter your email address and now create a password. Now click on next button. Here enter your username. Now here you go, you have successfully signed up your Picsart account with your email address. That's wraps for today. If you like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.